It's a Bernina Industrial 950 class. This machine have the stitches regulations, which big stitch, small stitch, plus a reverse, which you move that knob, a buttonhole, and zigzag and all size. Plus this one have a tension, automatically tension, have a 20 different design, a built-in bobbin filler, and the machine is excellent condition. It's about 3 months use repossession, and we're going to demonstrate the machine right now. As you see, it's a straight stitch, very fast, a beautiful stitch back and forth, and we'll do a design right now. You can see, you can choose any design you want, just move the button. If you want it smaller stitch, we'll go to a smaller stitch. As you see the design change, we'll move the button so you see different designs.